This video is exactly 1 minute and 24 seconds long. That might feel short, but the truth is most people's attention spans are even shorter these days. Studies show the average view duration across YouTube sits at just 23.7%. So 7% of 1 minute and 24 seconds comes out to roughly 22 seconds. So if you're still here right now, you've already outlasted the average YouTube viewer. That alone says a lot about how easily our focus gets pulled away. Be honest with yourself for a second. Were you already glancing at the related videos on the side? Did your eyes drift to the comments? Or half watching while your finger hovered over the next video? Maybe you minimized this and went back to the homepage looking for something more interesting. If you did any of that, don't feel bad. It's completely normal. Most of us spend the whole day chasing tiny hits of excitement, jumping from one shiny thing to the next the second it appears. We've been trained to do it. Platforms like YouTube and social media are built specifically around our shrinking attention spans. They make it effortless to switch, skip, and stay hooked for as long as possible. So if you're still watching at this point, you just proved to yourself that you can still sit with one thing long enough to finish it. That's rarer than you think. You just beat the algorithm today. All right, now go ahead and get back to your scrolling.